The Vivo X series has earned a reputation for its amazing cameras, but with the incoming X200 series, Vivo is trying to give not only top-tier photography, but also a robust battery in its flagship devices. According to sources, the Vivo X200 is rumored to include a powerful 5800 mAh battery, indicating a considerable leap in battery performance. This flagship range will comprise three models: the Vivo X200, Vivo X200 Pro, and a tiny version, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini. The company's vice president, Jia Jingdong, has already published the design of these forthcoming phones, offering users a sneak glimpse of what to expect. Tech giant Vivo is slated to unveil its next flagship smartphone series, the Vivo X200, in China on 14 October 2024. The lineup is slated to contain three models: the Vivo X200, X200 Pro, and X200 Pro Mini, marking the debut of a new mini variation to the series. While a global debut date remains undisclosed, Vivo is predicted to follow suit soon after the Chinese release, potentially bringing the X200 series to India early next year. Leaks and official teases have revealed critical details about the next smartphones. The Vivo X200 series is rumored to be powered by MediaTek unreleased flagship processor, the Dimensity 9400, and run Android 15-based Origin OS 5 out of the box. Further details about the Vivo X200 series, including pricing and availability information, will be announced during the launch event. The Vivo X200 series smartphone, which will be released on October 14, is expected to feature its latest kilometer-long offline communication tech, a self-developed network-free provision that enables several kilometers of free communication for two or more users of the same device, Vivo's vice president of branding, Jia Jingdong, said on Monday. Why it matters. The kilometer-level offline communication technology allows users to stay connected for free, without relying on a network. This walkie-talkie design could boost connectivity in rural locations and during emergencies, delivering a cost-effective alternative for consumers. However, it may also represent a headache for mobile operators if this function extends to other phone models or brands, as the operators charge users call rates regardless. Details: Vivo's vice president, Jia Jingdong, released some of the phone specifications on Chinese X-like platform Weibo yesterday. By employing LoRa spread spectrum technology, Vivo X200 series achieve cost-free communication without network coverage, with a communication range of up to several kilometers, according to Jia. Users may lose connection due to lack of network coverage when they hike a mountain or walk in remote areas. For these fairly demanding outdoor circumstances, Vivo offline communication is an upgraded option, he said. The Vivo X200 series would expand the previous X100 Ultra's 200 megapixels Zeiss apochromatic lenses with a new 135mm focal length for telephoto portraits, Jia added. Building on the X124mm, 35mm, 50mm, 85mm, and 100mm focal lengths, this improvement increases portrait background compression. Along with the Zeiss relationship, Jia's post also noted that the new joint lab established by Vivo and British semiconductor and software design company ARM makes Vivo the first smartphone brand in the industry to engage with ARM in this fashion. Context: the Vivo X200 series will also be the first in the world to introduce the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, the first 3nm chip in the Android ecosystem, created utilizing TSMC 3nm process. The tech blogger Digital Chat Station disclosed that the maximum CPU clock speed of the Dimensity 9400 is 3.626 GHz. The global smartphone shipments grew 6.5% year-on-year to 285.4 million devices in the second quarter of 2024, according to market intelligence agency IDC. In the second quarter, Samsung led with an 18.9% market share, followed by Apple at 15.8%, Xiaomi at 14.8%, Vivo at 9.1%, and Oppo at 9%. Features of Vivo X200 Pro Mini. Despite its diminutive size, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini packs impressive capabilities. It is believed to include a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display with 1.5K resolution, giving a clear and fluid visual experience. The smartphone will operate on the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, enabling strong performance for both ordinary chores and gaming. For photography, the Pro Mini will come with a 50-megapixel Sony main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x zoom, assuring great shot quality and zoom capabilities. The phone will include a 5,700 mAh battery that supports 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, providing quick charging for extended usage. Features of Vivo X200 Pro. The Vivo X200 Pro will have a larger display, maybe 6.7 or 6.8 inches, and a 6,000 mAh battery. The Pro model will also enable sophisticated camera functions powered by the V3 Plus ASP image signal processor. It will have a 200-megapixel telephoto lens with 135mm focal length, enabling for high-quality zoom images, as well as 4K slow-motion video at 120 FPS, telephoto macro mode, and even 4K illuminated movie portrait mode for video enthusiasts. In terms of software, the Pro will operate on Vivo's Origin OS 5 based on Android 15. It will come with AI-powered capabilities like voice transcription, real-time translation, beauty filters, and AI-driven characters for a better gaming experience. With its strong hardware, advanced photography features, and sleek design, the Vivo X200 series seeks to set a new benchmark in flagship smartphones. The series is projected to hit the Indian market by early 2025. Then again, it might possibly sport Oppo new 50-watt magnetic wireless charging, while the standard X200 goes without a similar feature in its current leak. The two gadgets are also supposed to be of a fairly similar build, which of course is backed to contain Dimensity 9400 power. Accordingly, it will be intriguing to watch which one would win this relatively well-balanced encounter later in 2024. So, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.